Well, we just booked our off-roading adventure in Maui. We're gonna go do some off-roading.
Yep.
Heck yeah, we are. We're gonna go rip, they don't have Polarises. They got rid of Polarises and we're gonna do Hondas. But there it is, 564.59 to go off-road in Maui. Well worth it. All right, guys, welcome back to the Dukes of Off-Road Hazard. We're still in Maui, and I couldn't call my channel the Dukes of Off-Road Hazard had we not done some off-roading in Maui. So here we are at Maui Off-Road, and we're gonna be off-roading all these filth ball, muddy Talons that you see behind me. Oh, look at all these four-seater Talons back here. The Honda Talon. So we're gonna get a little muddy today. It's been raining for the past couple days here in Maui. It's actually a beautiful day now. Let's take a look at the cars real quick. And again, if you haven't liked or subscribed to this channel, you got to, because I just got to keep bringing you guys content. So please like, subscribe to it, and let's just have a good time. All right, look at all these dirty, dirty cars. It's gonna be a mud fest out there. Oh, and we didn't bring mud clothes, but you know, whatever. Yep, I'd say they're a little dirty. A little dirty. All right, we got our Honda Talon. We're in the very front, thank God. Wife sitting passenger, the boy. All right, so we're just gonna go off-road in these there mountains. So, bitching. So here we go. There's our guide. Aloha. Stop on the little off-road tour, and look at this view. Let's get the camera flipped around because you don't need this ugly mud. Check it out. So there's our whip leading the pack here with the group, and just a killer view up on the mountain. We started way down there and made our way up the mountain. Hundizzle, what do you think?
Pretty cool.
What do you think, bud? Bitch and view. All right, so the wifey's gonna drive. What do you think?
Hang on.
Woohoo! All right, driving the Honda Talon right off a cliff into the ocean. Let's not do that, Toots.
Well, there's a bar here for you to hold on to.
Oh, the old shit handle. Oh!
Something tells me you're gonna need it.
The old bleep handle. Got the GoPro mounted up here. GoPro, send me some GoPros. Need about a dozen of them.
Yeah.
What's up, haters? Woohoo!
I'll be back here.
Just following the guy down the mountain now. That was cool. Slippery, slidery. Yeah, girl, get it. Good job. Oh, we're going up the mountain now, boys. Thought we were going back down. We're going back up. All right, well, we just got back from our off-road adventure here in Maui with Maui Off-Road. And honey, what did you think?
It was awesome.
It was a good time. You know, it's not a fast adrenaline rush ride. It's more of a beautiful ride through Maui, checking out the scenery, the history of it. And it's the only area on Maui that you can off-road. So thank you to Maui Off-Road for a great time. A couple hours, about 15-20 miles of off-roading. And she got to ride the best of it. Drive the best of it. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll look to see you on the next adventure, which should be King of the Hammers. Oh my God, what did we just find?
Got her back. Lost connection about 2,000 feet offshore.
And it just, I tried to have it come home and the wind carried it.
And at 2,000 feet out, it said, I'm done.
I'm done. Is there damage to it? Let's look at the damage.
I see nothing.
Where did you, oh, the blade?
There's
The
sand
blade.
on the blade, that's it, but it didn't hit water. Gimbal's good.
Way, dude.
Bone dry.
Oh, there, yeah, it buried in on that blade.
Which one? Oh,
On that one. Oh yeah, the blade is kind of messed up right there. Oop. All right, I got more blades. Oh, we got her back.